Welcome to our tutorial on creating and configuring a PPTP, L2TP, SSTP server with OpenTunnel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. If you're new to setting up a server, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open any browser and go to the OpenTunnel website. Look for the home page and click on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner. Step 2. From the menu, click on Services to proceed. This will take you to a list of available services. Step 3. In the services list, find and click on PPTP, L2TP, SSTP server. This option allows us to create and configure a server for our desired location. Step 4. Now choose the location where you want to set up your server. Consider factors like proximity and network availability to make an informed decision. Step 5. After selecting the location, it's time to create the server. Follow the prompts to set a username and password for your server account. These details are crucial for authentication purposes. Step 6. Once the server is created, make sure to copy and save the server details in a notepad or any secure location. These details will be required later for configuration. Step 7. If you're unsure about how to set up the PPTP, L2TP, SSTP server on an Android mobile device, don't worry. Check out the link in the description to watch our tutorial videos specifically dedicated to Android configuration. For a more comprehensive guide on setting up and configuring the PPTP, L2TP, SSTP server, visit our blog post. We provide detailed information and step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth setup process. Congratulations on successfully creating and configuring your PPTP, L2TP, SSTP server with OpenTunnel. You're now ready to enjoy secure and private browsing. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos.